Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my English class. Are you ready? Yes, we are. Yay, semangat ya. Today we are going to learn about jobs atau pekerjaan. Pekerjaan apa saja yang kalian tahu? Iya, ada polisi, ada dokter, ada apa lagi? Iya, ada pilot dan lain sebagainya. Oke, langsung saja. Yuk, kita mulai. Repeat after me. Tirukan setelah saya. A teacher. A teacher. Seorang guru. A police officer. A police officer. Seorang polisi. A doctor. A doctor. Seorang dokter. A zookeeper. A zookeeper, seorang penjaga kebun binatang. A pilot. A pilot, seorang pilot. A farmer. A farmer, seorang petani. A firefighter. A firefighter, seorang pemadam kebakaran. A shopkeeper. A shopkeeper, seorang penjaga toko. Next, repeat in English. Jobs. A teacher. A teacher. A police officer. A police officer. A doctor. A doctor. A zookeeper. A zookeeper. A pilot. A pilot. A farmer. A farmer. A firefighter. A firefighter. A shopkeeper. A shopkeeper. Oke, semua bisa ya. Next, let's do the example. Example number 1. He is ... He works in the farm every day. A teacher. B. A firefighter. C. A farmer. Jawabannya apa? Yes, C. A farmer. Number 2. Mr. John is ... He teaches English in my class. A teacher. B. A firefighter. C. A farmer. Jawabannya apa? Yes, A teacher. Number 3. He is ... He loves animals. A shopkeeper. B. A zookeeper. C. A farmer. Jawabannya apa? Iya, gampang. B. A zookeeper. Oke, gampang ya. Enough for today. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.